Hey, I'm back because I got seasonal greetings and I was like, I gotta show the girls or the guys, whatever you are, or if you don't, I mean, you know, whatever. And I wanted to show you guys. Okay, here is the packaging. Don't look at my address again. Don't. So for every seasonal greeting, they come with like a hologram kind of thing, if you didn't know. But wait a second. Wait a second. This is this a mouse? This is a mouse pad. This is so cute. I don't even have a mouse. I don't even have a laptop. I don't have a desktop, nothing. But hey, here we are, looking cute. Okay. I just got it in the mail. I don't remember when, but I'm now opening it with you guys because I said if now's the time, then now's the time. Wow, wow, they look so cute. Also, I'm doing this at night, so I'm sorry if like there's glare or something because I know it'll probably look weird. And reminder, I don't edit. I don't put music over anything. I don't put on makeup, and my room is a mess. So if you don't want to know or watch, thriving. My best friend is here. She was supposed to stay quiet, but she didn't. Anyway, if that bothers you, then you don't have to watch. It's okay. I won't be sad. I'll just give me views. Keep me on silent.
If that bothers you, you can cancel her.
No. Okay. Finna open this. What should my question of the day be? Question of the video. Okay, guys. Breaking news. I think I changed my bias wrecker. Don't get me wrong. I'm OT7. If you are not OT7, I'll pray for you. It's okay. No, it's not. But I'll still pray. She's free. Okay. Wait, this is so cute. All right. You saw this. She came with a notebook. Oh. Don't watch this if you're gonna get seasonal greetings, because then it's gonna be kind of sad if you don't get the same surprise. Notebook. She's cute. There's a little bit of a glare. Sorry. But low key, I really like this concept. Like, they look so. I just want to hug them. I want to do other things, but that's okay. So DVD. Supposedly there's gonna be subtitles with this one, so I'm gonna pop it in somebody's laptop because I don't got one and watch it. Oh, JK. He's so cute. For what? I was telling Danny today I'm okay with any hologram thing because I'm so OT7, it's ridiculous. I still, of course, my bias is Jin, so I want a Jin. But these are just so cute. They all look like my boyfriend there. I said it to Lulu. To Army. I'm Army. To me. This is so cute. Okay, we're gonna go through these together. I'm gonna get frames for each one of them. I'm gonna get frames. Okay. Oh, funny story. Michael Jackson's my guardian angel. So there's Yoon. Wow. Oh, okay, that's gonna be the question of the video. What did you guys think of these little hairs right here? Mullet. Mullet peer light. Stan and CT too. Okay. Wavy. Dream. You, even though it's not a fixed unit. Whatever. Anyway, going back. There's only one right answer, and that's a yes. That you did like it. That's the only right answer here. Hobie, it's you. Oh. What is he writing? Is he writing that? He wrote that. So, remember when I said I changed my bias record? I went back. I'm a clown. And JK, sweetie pie. Sweetie pie. Are these stickers? Oh my god. Guys, also I'm not a YouTuber, so I'm sorry if this is boring, but not really. These are stickers. Look at Jin. That's my baby. That's my cinnamon apple. Yoongi. Yoonfi. Love him, would die for him, would kill for him. Whatever he wanted me to do, I would do all of it. He just had to ask. He doesn't even have to finish the question, to be honest. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it anyway. There's so many things. Ooh, I don't know how much I pay for this, to be honest, so someone else might answer that question if you have that in your mind. Wow. Okay, funny story. So, if you're on Twitter, and if you were there, like, in December time, there was this picture from Jingle Ball with Jin and Namjoon sitting next to each other, and then the rest of the boys are standing around them. And there was a whole donation going around so that they can get, like, the watermark off, and I donated. Thank you. I mean, you're welcome. Namjoon. Jin. That's my baby! Wow. Okay, no, but for real, this is getting framed. They're so cute, and for what? I have nothing else to say, to be totally honest. Nothing's been really going on. Look at how beautiful he is. But I would love to know what's going on with you guys. Are you standing any other groups? If you are, which ones?
Who have you seen since your last group?
What?
Who have you seen since your last group?
Oh yeah, have you gone to any concerts? Is that? Yeah. I saw Super M. We in the future! Isn't that the name of the tour? I don't know. We're the future. We're in the future. I'm in the future. Hey.
That's what Korea said when
it was New Year's. This is a calendar, I'm assuming. Yeah. This cute. Y'all have any funny stories y'all want to tell me? Y'all can if you want. Again, look at all my water bottles, my closet, my pants. I went into the new year and I was like, forget cleaning. I hate that. So if you hate it too, like my video. Okay. Wow. Yo, it's gonna stay January all year. It's staying January all year. I don't care. I don't even care. Jin. That's my baby. Let's see. I've never had a calendar before. So this is new. Mood. This is new for everyone here. Wow. Okay, honestly, this was Taegi season. Again, no music, no nothing. I don't have anything else to say. That's my baby. That's my cinnamon apple. Whoa, Kim Line. Ooh. 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 They're so cute. Maybe I might stay June. My birthday month is July, so let's see which one I got. I got a good one. I got a great one, actually. Look at him. Look at him looking right. Oh, for what? Again, for what?
What's the one for December?
Hold on, I'm not there yet. I'm in August. Oh, look at Hobie. Look at Hobie. Yo, okay, I'm so confused by Tay. His duality is mwah, mwah. Sometimes he's super cute and then sometimes he's super fine as hell. So comment if same. Comment if same. Wow. An intellectual. Yoongi. Doi. Hobie. Oh, Hobie's is December. Danny, my best friend, her birthday is December. And she is Hobie stan. She's Hobie trash. That's what she is. Raise your hand if you're Hobie trash too. Okay. That's actually it. That was so cute. I wish I had more to say. I have nothing to say. Oh yes I do. OT7 or nothing. Oh, also I framed the hoo-hoo. Oh, you know what? Nah, never mind. That's not funny. Again, not gonna edit this. Not gonna put music over it. This is how it is. Happy holidays. Happy New Year. From me and my husband. From me and my family. Bye. Comment, like, subscribe. What else do you do on YouTube? Share.
Tell a friend.
Tell everyone. But don't make them stand because then it's gonna be hard to buy tickets. Just kidding.
You're welcome.
I'm putting things into perspective here.